Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV. I just wanted to do a quick video showing you guys my profits for today. Today is February 27th, 2025, Thursday, and as you guys can see, my profits for today is $162. Nothing too crazy, but yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so today we traded Google, ticker symbol GOOG, and as you guys can see, I actually took 2 trades in order to make up this $162. As you guys can see, the market is definitely it's just red, like all across the board, for mostly the technology sector, I can say. But if we're looking at it here today, we can see that, so yeah, we can see the overall trend for this stock is, if we draw an arrow like I usually do, we can see that it is going down. So the trend is definitely not in favor, you know. Again, I've spoke about this in the past. It's just not in favor of getting into a stock and not knowing what to do, because if you don't have a plan, you're definitely going to get wrecked. So with that being said, you can see that I took 2 trades. I took the first trade in the morning as the market opened, because if we look at yesterday, we saw that yesterday closed at 174. So pre-market, we see that there was an uptrend, and as soon as the market opened, it's just straight down. But however, I took advantage. Just, you know, my first trade, typically on the day I wanted to make $150, which is not too crazy. Still good gains, you know, still good gains. But as the market opened, I took the opportunity just to get in and just get out very quickly. Nothing too crazy, because again, with something like this where the overall market is just so choppy, especially with Nvidia beating their gains and everything, you have to be cautious. And again, I keep stressing this, guys, you have to make a plan. So I got in 300 shares with 175, and then got out 300 at 176.13. Nothing too crazy. My first trade, I think I got in. Nothing too crazy. My first trade, I think I ended up with 105. You know, profit. And then as soon as I sold out, you guys can see it went up a little bit and then started to just sell off rapidly. And within that, I also got in. I got back in because I was comfortable knowing that, okay, there's 2 things. I was able to hold it overnight. I'm comfortable with holding it overnight. So I decided, okay, so in order for me to make my daily goal, which I set for myself today, which, like I said, it was $150, I got in, took the same 300 shares. Usually, if you're doing something like this, again, guys, I can't stress this enough. If you don't know what to do or how to trade these type of stocks, just practice. You know, that's all I can say. Just practice and have like some sort of recognition in knowing how to familiarize yourself with these type of trades and patterns. Again, $150 was my profit that I was aiming for, so I got back in 300 shares, 173. So in order for me to make that, I would have to, you know, just make up the additional $45 based on the 105 that I've previously made. So I was comfortable holding this overnight even if I had to, but again, this is a quick day trade. So I got in 300 shares at 173, and then we started to sell all the way off. When I got in, as you guys can see, it did go up a little bit, but it didn't hold. We just continue selling all the way off, all the way down to 171, and that's when I had to, you know, you have to be patient. You have to be patient, and then we start to see an uptrend coming up. Got rejected, and then we started making our way back up to the initial point where I bought in. That's when I was like, okay, time for me to get out, make my profits, $162. Nothing too crazy. The market is still open, as you guys can see, but it's selling off. Again, I could have definitely, you know, held on a little bit longer and then get off on this higher point. However, this is a day trade. This was not planned as a swing trade at all. So you can make whatever plan you want, but again, for me, this is something that I'm used to trading, so this is not a big deal for me to get in and then get out. Overall, you guys can see that if we're looking at it, we're heading back down. This seems to be the current support, if this breaks anywhere below, I would say 171, 170, 170, we're gonna start seeing lower lows. But yeah, this is set up as a long term. If we take a look at the 180-day chart, we can see that it's really nice setup. However, we've been in a consistent bull market for, past couple, I would say last year, 2 years or so. So who's to say, if this doesn't, hold on or just keep trending down. So you have to be cautious. If you're fine with just holding on to it for a couple months, couple years, then so be it. However, I did not plan to swing trade this. This was just mainly a day trade. So let me ask you guys this. Are you guys in the market today? Especially if you're trading Nvidia, Google, mostly all the tech stocks. I know it's like a bloodbath out there. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. If you have any questions, anything, let me know, and I'll be happy to answer you. So yeah, just keep it green. Make sure you always make a plan, and yeah, just keep it consistent. Don't try to chase anything. Just keep it simple. Again, you don't have to trade every day. I'm just so used to trading in either or direction, where it's a bull market or bear market. I've had that experience when it comes to that. I'm not saying I'm the best trader out there, of course not. I just know that my limits and how much I can take, how much I am willing to actually lose. That's what you should always set for yourself. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below how you guys are doing, and yeah, make sure you smash that like button, hit the subscribe, the notification. Man, you know what to do, man. It's easy, man. You know what to do. Peace.